Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com.
In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use prevent default versus stop propagation event by using jQuery. Okay, let's get started. So I'm inside the index.html. Here I'm going to write down a h1 and it's jQuery event prevent default versus stop propagation. So to implement this, we need to add some text. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to add a result div. Inside of result div, a anchor is needed, and I'm going to add www.yahoo.com. I'm going to take a copy of it and we'll implement different. Okay, here we go with some links. I'm going to use the jQuery. Okay, so let's define jQuery, define a script, and in this script I'm going to write down the code, and we are looking for the anchor tags on click, and this one we are going to define a function, okay, like this. Now I'm going to take a copy of it, and I am looking to capture the ID result click as well, because result is the parent and it's the child. Okay, let's write down a console.log with a message. Okay, and here I'm saying a tag click. Okay, and in this one I'm going to say console.log, okay, div id result just clicked. Okay, we should be good now. So let's open the inspect element, and we know when I will click this, because it's a navigation, it will take me to the link. Okay, let's click on this, but let's see, we just got the message div id result just click. Okay, but we didn't able to see a tag click. Okay, because it immediately went to this, and it's called the bubble propagation. So if there is any child inside the parent, so first child event will fire, then it will also fire the parent event. So we are capturing the click event. So first a click happened on the child, and it's also happened on the parent, so that's why it was reflected on both. Now I'm going to use, because we are using the parameter, so we are going to use prevent default. It's a function that we can call to stop the propagation to or the navigation to the next web page. So if I will click now, you will see it didn't went to google.com, but it just show me a tag click. So first message from the anchor tag, next it showed the message from the div id result just click from this one because of the bubble propagation. Okay, if you just want to stop any like click on the child, we do not want to parent to be notified or propagated with the click event, you can use or prevent this by using stop propagation. It's a function that you can use to stop the propagation. So now if I will click on google.com now, so you can see just a tag click message is appearing. Why? Because we use this stop propagation. Why? Because we use this e.stop propagation, and stop propagation will stop passing or notify any upper level elements to be notified about the event. So it just fired the click event of anchor tag, but it will not fire the click event of the parent tag, which is div result. So we can do this. If you want to achieve both at once, for that purposes, there you can just return false, and it will do the task that is doing by the both of this. So if I will click now, you can see it even stop propagation, also event prevent default. You can either use this one, or if you want to individually use this thing, then you can definitely use it. If you just want to propagate it, okay, use the stop prevent default, disable the stop propagation, so it will also notify the parent. I hope this distinction help you to understand when you need to use these prevent default versus stop propagation.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.